Artificial intelligence. It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you that you're already using it every single day? Let's break down what it really is in super simple terms.
All right, so here's our quick roadmap. We'll start by defining AI, then break down its core parts, see how it actually learns, and finally look at all the places you're already using it. Okay, first things first. Let's get a really simple, clear definition for what AI actually is. At its very core, AI is just about letting computers do things that would normally need a human brain. It's really all about simulating our intelligence, but inside a machine.
Think about what our brains do so naturally, like recognizing patterns, understanding speech, or analyzing an image. Well, AI gives machines these same abilities, from understanding your voice commands to spotting trends in huge amounts of data.
But here's the thing, AI isn't just one single technology. It's a huge field with a few key pieces, so let's look at how they all fit together.
So while AI is this giant umbrella term for making machines smart, the actual engine driving almost all the AI you interact with, well, that's a powerful subfield called machine learning.
This is the perfect way to picture it. Think of it like Russian nesting dolls. The biggest doll on the outside, that's artificial intelligence. You open it up, and inside you find machine learning. And inside that is an even more specialized area called deep learning.
Machine learning is really where the magic happens. See, instead of a programmer having to write rules for every single possibility, the machine learns the rules itself just by analyzing tons and tons of data. It basically learns from experience.
And deep learning, well, that takes it a step further. It's a type of machine learning that uses something called neural networks, which are these really complex systems inspired by the structure of our own brains. This is the tech behind the most powerful AI tools out there, like ChatGPT.
Okay, so I keep saying machines learn from data, but how is that really any different from just regular old computer programming?
This visual right here shows the fundamental switch. With traditional programming, a person writes the rules. But with machine learning, you give the computer the questions and the answers, and it actually figures out the rules all on its own.
So it's basically a two-step process. First comes training, where the AI studies historical data, like thousands of old loan applications, to find patterns and build its own logic. We call that logic a model. Then comes step two, inference, where it uses that model to make a prediction on brand new data, like your loan application.
So we know machines learn from data, but how do they actually do it? Well, it turns out there are three main styles of learning.
First up is supervised learning. This is kind of like giving the AI a cheat sheet. We feed it a whole bunch of data that already has the correct answers labeled. We're supervising its learning by showing it exactly what's what. A perfect everyday example is your spam filter. It was trained on millions of emails that were already labeled by people as either spam or not spam. By studying all those examples, it learned the patterns to look for.
Next, we've got unsupervised learning. And here, we do the complete opposite. We don't give the AI any answers. We just hand it a massive pile of unlabeled data and basically say, go find something interesting in there.
This is how a system could sort through millions of news articles and automatically group them into topics like sports or technology, without ever being told what those topics are. It just figures out which articles are similar. This is also how recommendation engines group you with users who have similar tastes.
And the third main method is reinforcement learning. Now this one is all about learning through pure trial and error. An AI agent takes actions and then gets positive or negative feedback depending on how it did. Honestly, the best way to think about it is like training a dog. When the AI does the right thing, it gets a reward, like a treat. When it messes up, it gets a penalty. Over millions of tries, its only goal is to figure out the strategy that gets it the most rewards possible.
So, the really cool part is that these learning methods aren't just some academic theory. You're actually interacting with them all the time.
Just think about it. Your Gmail spam filter, that's supervised learning. Netflix recommendations, that's unsupervised learning, grouping you with similar watchers. And the crazy, complex decisions a self-driving car makes, that's polished using reinforcement learning, getting rewarded for every safe move.
Okay, we've covered a ton of ground, so let's wrap this all up in a super simple cheat sheet with the key things you need to remember. All right, here's the final breakdown. 1. AI is the big picture idea of making machines smart. 2. Machine learning is the most powerful tool for doing that, and it learns from data. And 3. It learns in 3 main ways: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. That's it. So now we know what AI is,
The next logical question is, how does it actually learn from all that data? We'll break that down in the next explainer. If you like this content and you learned something from us, please subscribe to this channel for more updates like this and share this on all your social networks.